For 30 years I've been very active in skincare. In the 70s, very active in doing dermabrasion, chemical peels, and then in the 90s using laser technology. In the last 6 to 7 years, microdermabrasion became very popular in this country and in Europe. It's being done in doctors' offices, in spas and salons, and is an expensive procedure that often patients are doing once a week at approximately $100 to $200 a treatment. At the very beginning, I began thinking that a home system would be more effective, particularly if it's priced properly. And I feel that the home kit that I've created really supplants or is the latest generation in microdermabrasion. I think that the whole concept of the machine microdermabrasion is not as effective. We've done clinical studies that show that the home kit that I have is as effective or more effective than using the machines in the spa and salon. And the benefit is that one can have easily 40 to 50 treatments for the price of one treatment by using a home kit system. In addition, the microdermabrasion system that I've created is a magnesium base rather than an aluminum base, which is what most machines are using. It's not toxic. It's in fact, magnesium is very skin and human friendly, as opposed to aluminum, which has a lot of toxic effects. In addition, we have at least 10 different anti-inflammatories in our system to prevent the redness that can occur using the machine. We have a whole system with a cleanser, a moisturizer, day cream, a night cream that comes with the microdermabrasion crystal gel that is with my system. So we're able to provide with the home kit a whole skincare for the face, and typically lasts 3 months, the kit that I've created. And during that time, patients see an amazing improvement. Now, it is a system that is really the beginning of something new. Without the downtime of surgery, patients can employ this in their day-to-day lifestyle and have the benefits of laser and deep chemical peels without any downtime at all.